Are you haunted by past mistakes and ready to reclaim your life from an old arrest record? Welcome to the exhilarating world of expungement, a legal process that grants you a fresh start. Expungement wipes away those lingering marks of history, giving you a clean slate. Whether you live in Alaska or Maine, California or New York, each state has unique procedures. An arrest record can include your name, age, address, date of arrest, and the crime you were arrested for. Even if you were not convicted, an arrest record can still show up on background checks. This can make it difficult to get a job, housing, or credit. Expungement allows a person to have their arrest record sealed or destroyed. This means the record will not show up on background checks and cannot be accessed by most employers or landlords. Each state has different rules about who is eligible for expungement and what the process entails. Why is expunging your record important? It can help you move forward with your personal and professional life. Having an arrest record can be especially harmful for young people trying to move on with their lives. Expungement offers a way to get a mugshot removed from Google and the internet. The expungement process generally involves checking eligibility, filing a petition, attending a hearing, and waiting for processing. In Alabama, you must file a petition with the court to have your arrest record sealed. In Alaska, you can have your record sealed if you were arrested but not convicted. In Arizona, you need to obtain a certified copy of your criminal history and file a petition with the court. In Arkansas, you must provide evidence that you have been rehabilitated since your arrest. In California, expungement can help you get a job, housing, and other opportunities. In Colorado, you must file a petition with the court and show that you have been rehabilitated. In Connecticut, you must file a petition with the Superior Court and provide notice to the state's attorney's office. In Delaware, you can expunge your record if you were arrested but not convicted. In Florida, you must file a petition with the court and serve notice to the state attorney and arresting agency. In Georgia, you must obtain a copy of your criminal history and fill out an application for expungement. In Hawaii, you must submit a petition for expungement to the court along with a certificate of disposition. In Idaho, you can petition the court for an expungement if charges were dismissed or you were found not guilty. In Illinois, you must be 21 years old or older and have no convictions on your record. In Indiana, you must be at least 18 years old and have no pending criminal charges. In Iowa, you can petition the court to have your record expunged if you were arrested but not convicted. In Kansas, you must be 18 years old or older and have no convictions on your record. In Kentucky, you must be at least 18 years old and have no pending criminal charges. Ready to reclaim your freedom and redefine your future? Let's get started on this empowering journey together.